Start. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each of you on your selection into these prestigious services. This marks the beginning of an impactful career in public service. You stand at the forefront of national growth, and your decisions will help build a stronger and self reliant country. You will play a crucial role in shaping policies and implementing reforms that promote inclusive development. Power is one of the most critical pillars of a nation's infrastructure. The vision of self reliance is closely linked with the strength and reliability of the energy sector. Electricity is not merely a source of power, it is the driving force behind industrial development, innovation, improved living standards, and overall socio-economic progress. The engineering service has been contributing immensely to planning and development in the areas of generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity. Your role in strengthening this infrastructure through sound engineering practices and innovative solutions will be very important in ensuring reliable, affordable, and uninterrupted supply for all citizens. Through your technical expertise, professional integrity, and commitment to excellence, you can support the efficient functioning of industries, institutions, and essential services. At the same time, our nation has undertaken important international commitments to address climate change and promote sustainable development. Increasing the share of renewable energy sources in the electricity grid is an important step towards achieving these targets. Greater integration of renewable energy will reduce dependence on fossil fuels and help create a cleaner power sector. The transition towards a renewable energy ecosystem presents technical and operational challenges which can be addressed through innovative thinking, technological advancement, and effective planning. Furthermore, as economic officers, you will play an important role in shaping the financial trajectory of our country. You will contribute to public policies, optimizing resources allocation, and influencing decisions that impact millions of lives. Your analysis and insights will serve as the foundation for sound and evidence based governance. In a rapidly changing environment, the role of economic planning and implementation has become more critical than ever. Your efforts will be significant in ensuring sustainable growth, managing inflation, enhancing employment opportunities, and reducing inequalities. However, you should always remember that behind every statistic lies a human story. The true measure of economic policy is not merely in numbers but in its positive outcome. It must improve the lives of people, especially the most vulnerable. Your thoughts and actions should be guided by a deep sense of empathy and a commitment to equitable development. As you take on your new responsibilities, I urge you to uphold the highest standards of integrity and professionalism. In public service, trust is your most valuable asset and it must be preserved through your decisions. You should approach your work with a spirit of dedication. You may face many challenges in your journey, but they also offer immense opportunities to contribute meaningfully to nation building. I extend my best wishes to each of you for a successful future. Stop.